Hello guys, good day and welcome to another browning video on the light bag collection. So what we'll be making today on this particular tutorial video is backpack. I hope you guys will love this backpack. We'll be making this Versace backpack, so I'll be showing you all the details, the illustration and everything down there, the design and the illustration. I will be taking you through the cutting and the sewing as well, and the assembling of the bag, so that you see the sewing method and the assembly method I'm using on this particular one. So stay tuned for this particular video. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to click the subscribe button first before you continue watching. Click the subscribe button. When you click, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be one of the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. If you do, give this particular video a giant thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section down below on what you think on this particular video, and share this video with your friends. So without no further ado, let's talk about the illustration and the design. So welcome back guys. This is the illustration. As you can see, this is what we'll be talking about today, not the down one. So let's focus on this one at the top here. This is what we'll be talking about today. So let's go straight to it without no further ado. When you want to make this particular bag, as you can see, these are all the measurements you'll be needing. The height of the bag will be 17 inch, which is the 17 inch we have here. Then the dip or the side of the bag is 4 inch. Then the wideness will be 13 inch. So I make a twist to this particular I'm making, but when I proceed I will show you the cutting. The height is still 17, the side is 5 inch, but this bottom here is 12 inch. That is what I make twist to it. But other than that, all the other measurements is the same thing. So after you make that, you shape your bag. After you shape, you get your measurement. This is how you shape. Then your zip will be 29. Then the rest of this place is 9 inch. You measure a 9 inch from this place to this place. So I will be making a zipper pocket on this side and the other side. Then a front pouch, which is this particular one here, which is going to measure 11.5 inch by 8 inch. Then the side will be 2 inch. Then you measure from here to here where the zip will be. So that's why I indicate it here that the zip is 11.5 plus 4 inch, which is equals to 15.5 inch. Then the other side that will continue from where the zip will stop to the other side of the zip will be 23.5 inch. So that is it guys. So the back hand, the handle at the back will not be a wide hand, it will be a tiny hand. So it will measure 3 inch by 16 inch. I will show you that. Then we have a hidden pocket at the back, which is going to measure 5 inch. Then the strap is going to measure 14.5 inch. But I make this bag ages ago, so now that I'm making it, I make a twist to it. So instead of 14.5 inch, I make the strap to be more longer so that you can extend it how you want. I'm making the strap to be 20 inch, so I'm adding close to 5.5 inch to that. So the inside laptop, where the laptop will be inside the lining, if you want to measure it, and the foam, the padding will be 10 inch by 14 inch. This is equivalent to 20 inch because you are going to fold it to the other side. So this is the illustration for you guys. I hope you guys understand everything here. If you have a question, please leave it in the comment section. I'll try as much as possible to attend to your question. So without no further ado, let's talk about the cutting now. I'll show you all the cutting. So welcome back guys. So these are all the measurements and the cutting. This is the first cutting, the front panel and the back panel. As you can see, I've also cut the lining as well. So this is everything. One will be the front panel and the other one will be the back panel. So this is the side where I say the zip will be indicated, which is also the side of the bag. So when I add the zip to it, it will be up to this place. As you see, this is the two side, this is one, and this is the second one here with the lining as well. So this is the bottom of the bag as well. So the bottom of the bag, we talk about the measurement. The bottom of the bag is also the same length with this and the other side, but you'll be adding half inch to it. So what I did is, here is 12, I measured 12 by 5.5 inch. So after you shape this place, you shape this particular place, and you shape here, it will now be equivalent to the same thing, because if you measure the same 12 by 5 and you shape, it will be small. When you want to assemble it with this place will be more wider than the bottom, so you have to add half inch to it, or maybe it depends on how you want to shape it. You can even add up to an inch to it. So that is what I did. After I finish assembling this, and I half inch will be gone here, it will be equivalent to that. So I have this my 2 side extension for strap. When I make it, you will be see it, the side extension. This is the strap as well, where the strap will be going. Then this is the handle of the bag. As you can see, I have the handle there. This is the handle of the bag, the 2 handle. This is 3 by 16 inch, so it's a tiny handle we are using. And this particular white one here, this is the zipper of the bag. This is where the zip will be. As you can see, this is the zip of the bag. So when I want to assemble the zip, I will share it into 2. The zip will be at the center of the bag. And this zip now, the measurement of the zip is 41 inch by 5 inch. Okay, no, it's not up to 41. This is 23. So other than that, sorry for that particular mistake, but I know by now you guys are now professional on how you can make this. So this is the front panel I will be making. This is the 2 front panel. So there will be zip in between this place. There will be a lining also at the bottom for the padding of it. And this is the side of the front panel, and this is where the front zip will be attached to as well. It will be carrying 2 zip. So as we make, we will still talk more about it and proceed. So I hope you guys love this particular aspect and you understand everything. If you did not understand, or if you have any question, please feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. Like, give this particular video a giant thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, please try as much as possible to subscribe, as we'll be releasing more good and interesting video that will be of good and helpful to you in your bag making journey. So, and when you click the subscribe button, please turn on the notification bell so that you get notified. Share this video with your friends, and let's proceed to assembly and sewing of the bag. Thank you guys for watching. So welcome back, guys. This is what we've done so far. We've made the strap extension for the handle that will be sewed to the back of the bag. Then we have our main zip already attached to the lining, and the zip is already fixed. So what we'll be doing next now is the 2-sided. I talk about it that we'll be having 2 zip at the side, so we'll be adding this to the main zip. And this is our back. We already have a hidden zip that will be here, a back zip. So, and this is the 2 strap, the 2 handle. The ring is already there, the square ring, so will be attached to it. Then this is our main front panel. There's nothing that will be put on that except this front pockets we'll be making. So we've already made this. It's left for us now to put the second zip and the side, then place it on the main panel. So this is the work so far. I know by now you guys are already used to how you can make this, how you can make all of this. So there's a tricks we use in making this particular. As you can see, we have a webbing inside so that it will be more durable. When the bag gets old, it will not like lose the hand or cut off. So that's why we put this webbing or rope inside to give it a durability. So this is it for this part. So I hope I'm able to show the sewing of the rest before we get to the end of the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this particular video, give it a giant thumbs up. If there is any question you need to ask, please feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. If you are new to this channel as well, click the subscribe button. When you subscribe, click the notification bell so that you'll be one of the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. So we'll see you at the other side. Thank you guys for watching. To the old subscriber as well. So guys, here we have the bag. We are done with it. Very neat. I hope you guys love the video of making the bag. So if you have any question in the comment section down below, feel free to ask and let me know. This is the bag, as you can see. So if there's any question, just let me know. I will make it. And as you can see, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zipper place. So it's just a simple backpack with a long strap and the handle. So here is the bag for you guys. So if you are new to this channel, please try as much as possible to subscribe to this channel so that you will not be missing what we will be doing and some of the tutorial we'll be making on this channel. And for the OGs, give this video a giant thumbs up, share this with your friends, and for those of you who are coming every time to watch the video without subscribing, please try as much as possible to subscribe, so that you join the family. Because actually YouTube is letting me to know that close to 70% of people that watch the video are not subscribed, but they keep coming back to come and watch. So try as much as possible to subscribe to the channel so that you won't be missing, because there will be a time that if you are not subscribed, you won't be able to watch the video. I think so. So please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching, and this is the bag for you.